If you've been following my channel, you know I had to cut this open and seal it with Por 15. So have a look in here, look for any suspicious looking rust because that can be a nightmare of a job. Yamaha implemented this arm here to hold the upper end of the bracket for the rear brake. Make sure all the cotter pins are in place for these nuts and bolts, or else you wouldn't want one of those to rattle loose and have this arm come flying off, so check for the cotter pins. Now, as you probably know, the XJ is carburated, so get your nose out and have a sniff around here for gas fumes. If you see any puddling gas, run away from it. It's a huge fire hazard. Also check that you have a filter in line going to your pump and that you don't see any wet marks around the carburetors. It's really hard to show you, but in here you can see the bottoms of the carburetors. Check for wetness, check for anything out of the ordinary. All the Phillips heads should be intact and not stripped. That's a good sign that it's in good condition and well taken care of. The rubber boots that connect the cylinder head to the carburetor often fail. They just rot out and get cracked and cause a big vacuum leak. I've had to replace this on my bike and it wasn't an easy job. It involves taking everything off.